Hi there, students. To repine. To repine. Okay, a verb. Let's see. Repining. Yeah, I guess as an adjective. Repiningly as an adverb. Maybe even unrepining as the opposite. Wow. Okay, to repine, to feel sad about something, to complain about your situation, especially when you're in a bad situation. So when life seems difficult and everything is complex, don't repine. Don't let it get you down. To repine, to feel down and depressed, yeah, to feel discontented, to express discontent, to fret about something. Don't repine about the situation. It will get better. Yeah, don't mope about it. Yeah, you mustn't let yourself repine. Repining's just not going to help you. Yeah. He looked at me repiningly, as if sorry for himself. Well, he really is a bit of a repiner. Yeah. Many people have been repining under lockdown. Yeah, discontent about it, moaning and complaining about it. Okay, this is a great word. This is one of these words that is disappearing. Yeah. It is still used, but this is a very literary word. If you want to write something poetic or something like that, repine is a great word. Use it in a semi-formal or very formal writing. I'll probably give it 7.5 in formality. Okay, so to repine, to be in low spirits, to be down, or also to want something. Yeah, he was repining for the long warm days of summer as he froze in his attic room. I think some immigrants repine for the land that they have left. Others are very happy in their new land. So to complain about something, to sound off against it. Look, repining about your situation is not going to improve it. Yeah, regretting it. Okay, you can also, this is what I've read, use to repine, meaning to decrease, to fail, as in something like his energy was repining. Yeah, the economy has been repining. But I looked for examples for this, and I can only find 17th century examples and 18th century examples. So this is probably very, very old-fashioned. You could try using it though, yeah? His interest repined as the teacher droned on and on. You try and find a formal setting to use it for though. Okay, so to repine, everything's so bad. Yeah, and he's always repining about things. He's always complaining about things. Okay, the origin of this. Okay, there's this verb to pine for. I've got a video on that. Meaning you really long for something, as in a dog pining for his master. He wants his master to come home, and I think the re is emphasis to it. Okay, so an old English word, pinnen, to cause pain. It's clearly related to pain. Yeah, to pine for, to torture. Okay, so if you're repining for something, you wish that you could have it. You feel sad because you don't have it. You repine about your situation. He may have lost his job, but repining about it is really not going to help. Okay, so a formal word, yeah, high formality. So to repine. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To repine about something. Stop repining.